Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw BB8. So, to start off with BB8, I'm going to need to draw a circle. And I'm going to use something like this little plastic lid to help me trace a circle. So I'm going to place this right here, and I'm going to keep my marker straight up and down, and I'm just going to trace right around this circle. So, that's going to be BB8's body. Now, we also want to make his head. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out, and then it's just going to kind of curve around like this, and then come back to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a big line that curves up and then down. It's going to come all the way to here. So I'm going to draw a line, it's just going to go up, and then it's just going to curve down right to here. Now, after I have that, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go straight up and then down for one of his antennas. And then I'm going to draw another one that goes a little bit higher, and it's going to be a little bit skinnier right here. Now, I have some different circle patterns to make on him. So I'm going to use just a smaller circle like this just to help trace some of these. So I'm going to put this kind of part way on here and a little bit off, and I'm going to just trace right around it for one of them. Then I'm going to put another one right here, and I'm just going to trace around part of it. And then I'm just going to put a small one right up here, and then I'll just trace a little bit around it, like that. Now, up here on his face, he has two big circles. One big one for like his main eye, and then like a little smaller one here. So starting here, I'm going to draw a nice big circle for that first little eye. And then I'm going to draw a smaller one right here for the second one. Now, for some of the different details on here. So, right inside of here, I'm going to add a little curved line like this. And then I'm going to add another one right here. Then I'm going to make a small line that goes right across here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go around this eye, and I'm going to stop it right there. And then I'm just going to draw it all the way around this eye here. Then I'm going to add a small curved line right here at the top. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, down at an angle, and then over this way for like a little stripe. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Going to go over, down, and then over again. Then right here, I'm going to add a little square shape. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that kind of curves around, and it's going to go over and then down. And then I'm going to draw another little line that goes down right here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, up, and then over right to here. Then I'm going to start here and draw a line that goes over and down, and then put a little line right in between there. Then right here, I'm just going to add a few little lines for some detail. And then I'm just going to add a few little extra lines on these antennas here. Now on the eye, I'm going to just draw like a big circle and then a smaller one right here for some reflections. And then I'm just going to add another small one right here for reflection. Now for some details on the body. So first right here, I'm going to make a little curved line like this. And then right here, I'm going to draw another curved line. And then right here, I'm going to draw a big circle shape. Best you can. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes here to here to connect those two circles. And then a line that kind of curves down here. And then another little line that kind of curves right here. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes straight down here. Then one that goes over here. And then one over here too. Then I'm going to put a small circle right here. Then right inside the circle, I'm going to draw some kind of like rectangular shapes like this. They start out a little bit skinnier at the top and wider at the bottom. Then I'm going to put one right here. I'm only going to draw half of it, and then the same thing here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes straight down. I'm going to draw a curve, and then a curve, leave a little bit of space. And then I'm just going to kind of fill in this space with kind of like a square pattern. Then I'm going to draw a little line right here. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little square pattern. And there you go. There is your drawing of BB8. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.